Huh?
Like I have said in past videos, a trading plan is your blueprint in Forex. It helps you to remain prepared and also reduce your risk and emotions if used properly and consistently. So if you want to know some tips on how to create the perfect Forex trading plan, then keep watching. What's up guys, Candice B here. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Welcome back to my subscribers and welcome to my new ones. So in today's video, we are going to discuss how to create the perfect Forex trading plan. And I use the term perfect very loosely because there is a high chance that you will have to go back to your trading plan and tweak it and change it up a little bit just to increase your edge as you gather more data when you trade. And as a disclaimer, of course, these tips are from my point of view. They are my personal opinions. So whether or not you use them or take them into consideration is totally your choice. I won't be offended. Don't worry about me. So I'm going to give you 3 tips to keep in mind while you are creating your perfect Forex trading plan. So my first tip on how to create the perfect Forex trading plan is to keep it simple but be specific. So what I mean by this is that you definitely want to keep your trading plan as simple as possible, just so it's easy for you to just follow day in and day out. However, you still want to be specific just so that you know what you're looking for. And although there is no set formula on how to create the perfect Forex trading plan, there are a few things that you can keep in mind that may be beneficial if you add them to your trading plan. Some good questions to ask yourself would be, what session do you want to trade in? When do you want to start trading for the day? When you want to stop trading for the day? What pair to trade? The amount of pips or percentage that you're willing to risk per trade, as well as the amount of pips and percentage that you are willing to look for, or that what you're aiming for, etc. So things like that I feel like are really good questions to ask yourself, because you want to be specific and you want to make sure that your trading plan, although it's very simple and easy to follow, it has enough information that it would be literally so hard for you to be led astray. My second tip on how to create the perfect Forex trading plan is to write your trading plan directly in your trading journal. So if you have your trading plan written in your trading journal, of course you need to look at your trading plan, so it'll force you to open up your trading journal. And I suggest that everyone has a way of documenting their Forex trades because you want to collect the data. This is a pretty good idea in my opinion, because if you have your trading plan directly at the front of your trading journal, it'll force you to open your trading journal, to use your trading journal. It's very important to track your trades and write down your emotions, how you feel, etc. So having a trading journal is important, and it'll help you to develop a really good habit of actually using it, because of course you have to look at your trading plan. So if it's in your trading journal, then it just kind of makes it easier to access as well. So I can even show you my trading journal as an example. I have 2 because I actually have 2 because I ran out of space. So this is my first trading journal ever, and as you can see, it has my trading plan written down, the days I want to trade, the currencies, the session, the risk percentage, trades per setup, how many trades I want to take per setup, pips per trade, what I look for. So also, adding confluences. For example, I put price rejecting from zones, sell resistance and buy support, wick fills between zones, direction of momentum, engulfing candlesticks, trade the trend. I want at least 3 confluences. So of course, as you can see, I use my trading journal a lot. This is my second one. I love this one. It's so cute. It has like all these countries like Sydney, London, Atlanta, LAX, Denver. So this is like my continued one. So as you can see, I write in it a lot. but having, your trading plan right at the front of the trading journal, right when you open it, it helps you just to access it, and it helps you to kind of remind yourself that, hey, dang, I need to remember to use my trading plan. Yeah, it's just so much more convenient, to be honest. Another thing I wanted to point out is that, using a trading journal, having your trading plan in your trading journal is very beneficial, because you definitely want to write your trades down. A lot of people, especially in this day and age, we use technology. I know a lot of people who track their trades on, let's say, Microsoft Excel. More power to them, because I personally am so bad at Microsoft Excel. But there's a difference between, picking up a pen or a pencil and actually writing down things. It helps your memory. It helps you just to really, feel emotion. So, being old school, picking up a pen and paper and writing down your trades and kind of keeping it in one place and documenting it, you will be very surprised to see how it affects you positively. Because let's say, for example, you had a losing trade, and of course you're going to go ahead and document it. You're writing these words: I was greedy, I was distracted. By you writing it down, there's a higher chance that you're not going to do it again. You're not going to want to, go and write down all the negative things that cause you to lose the trade. So that is just a suggestion from, old school me. I call myself a grandma because I like keeping things old school, like if it's not broken, don't fix it. So, and it's really cool that there's a lot of apps and things on computer that you can use to track your trades. But again, I feel like there's nothing like an old school journal. And look at this. Is this a panda or a koala bear? I don't know, but these are so nice. Like, I got these at Walmart for probably like 10, 15 bucks. Maybe not 15 bucks, that's a lot. Probably like $10. But yeah, like it's so cute. So with me, I like documenting my stuff just because I like color coordinating things as well. So I'll like take out my pen and, write everything down, and it helps to look at and to review. So that is my second tip. Make sure the trading plan is in a trading journal, and then both go hand in hand. Oh, I even forgot to mention, as I'm kind of going along, since your trading plan is right at the front of your trading journal, it's easy for you to, while you're reviewing your trades and you're writing down your trades, to kind of go back and compare side by side. Okay, did I have this? Nope. Did I have this? Yep. So you can kind of compare and see if your results were matching your trading plan. So that's a good idea. Ow. And my third and final tip on how to create the perfect trading plan is to be a critic. So this kind of brings the first and the second tip kind of together, as I was talking about having your trading plan and your trading journal. Of course, as you go along, you're going to, keep track of your trades, and you're going to start to develop data. Basically, you're going to start to see patterns. And the important thing about this is that you really look deeply at the trends that are happening in terms of, when are you winning more trades? When are you losing more trades? Is there a correlation to, let's say, for example, me trading Asian session versus trading London session? I noticed that I usually win 2 times in a row for 2 trades in the Asian session, but I lose 2 times in a row for the London session. So then I might want to think, okay, should I be, trading the London session if I have more of an edge with the Asian session, based on my trading plan, based on the things that I look for, and based on the currency pair that I'm trading? Where is my edge? Where is my edge higher? And then you want to stick with that, of course, and you want to kind of build on that, and you want to keep, critiquing. You want to keep waiting and seeing how your trades play out. So you want to do this, for a while. You definitely want to give your trading plan the benefit of the doubt. You want to follow it for a couple of weeks. I would say even a couple of months, maybe 6 months. And you want to for sure see pattern. You want to see the trend. You want to see what's working and what is not working. And then after that 6 months, you can kind of go back and figure out, okay, what do I need to tweak? I know this may be a bit hard for people because they're thinking 6 months, that's a long time to, be tracking something. You have to remember, trading is not a race. This is a business. You will go through trial and error. You have to really understand what's going on in order for you to keep getting better. So for you to take the time, take those months to review, and then go back, tweak your trading plan, then again, use it for 6 months, go back, you'll start to see that you're getting better and better. Your edge is increasing and increasing. And then once you're at a point where you have a really great edge, your win percentage in terms of how much you win or how much you gain per month is higher than how much you lose per month in terms of percentage, then you're doing something right. You gotta slow down. You have to understand what's going on. You have to pay attention to the detail, to where you're making mistakes, to where you're actually doing really well. Then you can tweak what you need to tweak, and then you're gonna, of course, use that trading plan again. You're going to keep collecting more data, and as you go along, again, you're going to be changing things, making things better, removing things that are not that necessary. So that is the goal, is that you want your percentage, your gain percentage to be higher at the end of the month than your losses. That really is that long-term thinking that, would be really good to develop in trading. Just having that long-term thinking that, okay, I'm looking at the end of the month. I'm not looking at on a day-to-day basis how much, am I winning or losing. Of course, you have your goals based on your trading plan of how much you want to risk, how much you want to aim for. But then at the end of the month, you really want to see, okay, what is my overall result at the end of the month? And then you can find, if different trends happen over the next couple of months. And that is really the best way to make an informed decision on if your trading plan is working or not. So just keep in mind that it takes time. You have to be a critic. You have to really pay attention and keep track of everything so that it helps you to increase your edge and to make the perfect trading plan, because that's what we all want to do, right? So there you have it, guys. I just wanted to give you 3 quick tips on how to create the perfect trading plan. I hope this was helpful to some people. Definitely leave a like on this video if it was helpful or if you like this type of content. And I'm definitely curious to know, what do you have in your trading plan? Go ahead and leave a comment in the description box to let me know what you have included. I would love to see it. Maybe it's something that I'm missing in my trading plan that I might think that is necessary. So for sure, let's go ahead and start a conversation in the comment section. And for sure, subscribe if you like this type of content. If you like me, I am so appreciative of everyone who comes to my channel and stays and subscribes. I love you all. And yeah, if you like this type of content, I'm going to definitely keep putting it out. Again, I love you guys so much. Thank you for coming by to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!